as I was saying, I'm waiting for my plumber so he can give me the second rough on running the vent pipe and the plumbing. And he also has to move this toilet pipe further in. It's too close to the wall. What else? I need to get a quote from a pool guy or somebody that can get it done for me for the master bedroom, as I want to have a plunge pool in there instead of a standing shower. So that's one thing that I'm working on, getting quotes, because here I do not want to have a shower there anymore. I want to have a plunge pool in this section, and instead of having my sink here, I want to have a stand-up shower from this area, close in that area, and just keep one sink in the master bedroom. And we'll see how this turns out, guys. I am so excited. The level of excitement is beyond me, and there's so much more. I have to order my doors and windows before price start going back up. So stay tuned, and until next time, for more to come. All right, stay tuned. So today is April 17th. You know, the guys are here. They're getting the plumbing done and so forth. They've been at it since yesterday. So you got the sink setting out here, the hose bibs, and we are here. Plumbing day, boy. Plumbing day, we are here. Hey, yes, sir. You're getting it. You know what I'm saying? My doors over here. I'm just doing this thing. We are. That I'm building downstairs. If you recall, in most of my videos, I had the framing here for the shower, so we decided to take that off. We're gonna do a spa pool in here. That's what we're doing in here, a spa pool from here to there. And we switched the shower from here and we put it right about here. So that's where the shower is gonna be at. Just got done building the shower pen in here. And now, drum roll please. We picked up the Moen, U by Moen, voice activate shower system. I gotta mount this baby right there so it can be an easy access. And the back panel here, so it could be an easy access here. Stay tuned until I mount it. I'll keep you guys updated. There's stuff that I need to get done today. I still gotta cover the dining area and so forth. Stay tuned. Stay blessed.